Finished to exacting standards, this outstanding Newington home has been expertly rebuilt from front to back and offers the ultimate inner city lifestyle. Hi, I'm Dan Nestor from McGrath, Ballarat, and welcome to 13 Nightingale Street here in Newington. The downstairs kitchen meals living space is the beating heart of the home with these gorgeous shears softening the brilliant westerly afternoon sunlight. Now the outside living is simply outstanding with this gorgeous entertaining space flowing right on through from the internal living area, which leads you down to this highly versatile external studio space. A high quality renovation in the so very highly regarded suburb of Newington. Walk to the lake, to Victoria Park and all that the Ballarat CBD has to offer. Call Tony and myself today to arrange a private inspection.